I've done my professional brand management course from Craftshala in April 2020. And I think that's the best decision that I had taken during the lockdown last year. Hello, I'm Atisha. I have done my MBA from XIMB and I'm 2019 pass out. And I have been working with Nestle since then, as senior sales executive. Currently, I'm working with Asian Paints Limited as the marketing executive. I was very happy with my sales role that time, but there was an inclination towards learning marketing. I got some time during the lockdown to spend on myself, and I thought that why not to start with learning, because I wanted to learn more, and I always felt that learning never stops, whatever age we are at. So learning should always go on, and I thought Craftshala was a great platform. I never came across Craftshala during my MBA days. I am not sure how it happened because a lot of people in my network were doing that course. One of my friend did it, and I saw her testimonial, and then I called her that how was the experience for her, and she was all full of praises for Craftshala, and that made me, why not to utilize my time in a better way. So yeah, that's when it started. I would not say that I had made my mind completely during that time. I wanted to know more. So I thought I'll just start. Let's see how it goes. So then there's a P assessment with Craftshala, and I started with that. And I can tell my experience. I can express my feelings how it happened, and like the 2 days that we were given to submit that assignment, I was not thinking about anything except that. That was my whole focus during that time. And I really came to know that, this will help me, and this is something that I'm really into. So, yeah, that was the thing. Learning experience with Craftshala was very different from any other learning experience that we had before. And I would say it's a very structured program where we learn through examples and experience of other people applying all these frameworks into work. And then we start applying them from day one itself on a real life business problem. So it really helped us articulating our thoughts, getting perspectives from other team members, then discussing our viewpoints, then getting feedback on our work, and finally delivering the best output. So all these helped us improve and made us more confident of applying framework to work on a daily basis. So it is not on only on marketing. We could apply this on any problem that we came across in our work life. So that was really helpful. And I would say Craftshala has more of an application based learning structure, and it helped in deeper learning. Well, we really feel that we learn from concepts, we learn from classrooms, all these things. But during the program that I learned, one best thing was that we learn from experience the most. So experience and the industry experts explaining things, how they applied in their work, and then we starting to apply it on a real life business problem, and then gathering thoughts and discussing with our peers. That was the best thing. I got to know that ideas are generated best when you discuss with people. So that was the biggest takeaway from. I use a lot of things into my sales work, but being from a pure sales profile, there's a lot of things that happens from the brand team that we are not able to understand. So we always think from the field perspective, and it's very difficult to understand what's happening. So when I started learning these frameworks, and there were a lot of instances where new products were coming up, a lot of things were happening, so I could relate. I was able to understand the reason behind things happening in the company. So I would say that there were a lot of things that I changed after my final interview. So I would say my final interview, which was scheduled for like 1 hour, went like around 2 hours. And there were really good conclusions that I took away from that call, and the feedback that was given was really very helpful to me. And that was the interview feedback call that I really got to know where I was going wrong and why I was not able to crack those interviews. So, yeah, that interview call helped me in this interview, I would say. I believe that consistency is the key. So when I joined, I decided I would be dedicating 2 hours at least every day. So the most challenging part was being dedicated throughout. I would be lying if I would say that, yeah, I didn't miss out on parties or shopping or get togethers in weekends. Yeah, I did miss out, but that was what I wanted to do at that time. I wanted to be focused on this, and I couldn't have done that if I was not that interested and the program was not that good. So that was one thing, that it was really interesting, and I was never feeling that I was missing out on something. And secondly, I was working with like-minded people. Even their dedication and the way they work, they were dedicated so much. So made me feel that, yeah, why not me? Why shouldn't I also spend that much time and start doing this much? So with like-minded people also helped. In MBA, we were sure that we were working on assignments and that was for the college. But when it came to Craftshalla, we were given a real life business problem, which completely changed the game. And we never thought that we were not the marketing executives working on this. We always acted like that. Like we are the people from the brand itself and we are working on it as if it's going to be really implemented. So it was a different thing. So that's how it worked for me. So I would explain one incident that I can never forget. I started arguing over my perspective and the perspective of one team member, and we really started having a very heated discussion on that. But at the end of the call, it was nothing personal, and we both knew that we were so much involved into it that we started having a heated discussion, and at the end result was fantastic. And we knew that we were working for good, and that discussion was really healthy. So yeah, that was real fun. So I'll be honest that the best thing that I liked about the course was the interactions and specifically the feedback time. So we always waited for that, and that was the best part in the week. So I remember one interaction with Harsh, and he was explaining what we had done, and he made us think in all directions. It was not just our solution, it was what he thought was the correct one, and the other approaches that we could have taken and what would have been the results. So that was the best thing. So before the program, when I decided of joining Craftshalla, I had a call with a Craftshalla executive, and he tried to explain me all the processes that were going to happen and how it would be a different kind of experience for me. And yeah, he tried to solve all my doubts that I had. And not only that, he helped me getting a better picture of it by telling me about the alum of Craftshalla programs and the people that I might know who might be in my network. And he asked me to interact with them before joining so that I get to know from them too. So yeah, that was how the beginning started. I discussed with a lot of people before taking it up. It was not a random call. I really discussed with a lot of people. And then during the program, I was completely into it. All these 4 months, I was working on it, the project, the Sirona brand project, and learning from the Sirona CEO and other industry experts. That was a really good thing. We learned about a lot of brands in the program. I think we sometimes fail to understand the concepts of behind a lot of advertisements, a lot of promotions that happen. But that's how Craftshalla helped me. And post assessment also was really good. Whatever we had done, we used to get a in detailed feedback of that. Was helpful. And throughout this, I had a buddy whom I could reach out if there's any problem. So yeah. if you really want to learn something and you want to utilize your time well, go ahead with some learning. But yeah, take up the Craftshala course if you are really into marketing, because you have to be dedicated. I won't say it's a cakewalk. Yeah, things are difficult and you have to manage. We have to go through different things. So if you are ready for that challenge and if you are really into marketing, then Craftshala it is.